Do you know that you can invest in the future of drone delivery? COVID-19 has caused a historic demand for drone-based delivery capabilities, and now you can invest in a scrappy autonomous drone delivery technology startup for as little as $100. Hello friends, welcome back to the Do You Know Drones Micro Podcast. I'm your host, Jason Sansucci, drone scientist. Join me each week as I examine an incredible new facet of the drone industry. While they are no longer the only company capable of multiple stops in one trip, thanks to a recent announcement by Wingcopter, who added the capability to deliver 3 drops in one trip, Skycart is the only company scaling through crowdfunding. Skycart, a small San Jose, California-based engineering company, has announced the development of the world's first 4-drop delivery drone, the Nimbus. The drone services an immense area of 20,000 square kilometers. That's bigger than the state of Connecticut, at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. The group is focused on healthcare provisioning in developing countries, because that is the fastest growing, largest, most underserved segment of the market. Skycart is introducing its continuous delivery service in Kenya this year. Skycart will transport COVID-19 vaccines and other small supplies around the clock to health facilities that experience frequent shortages of medical supplies. This is an exciting move from a small pilot project to a sustainable business model. I know that I'm thinking about diversifying my portfolio with a small investment for future equity. If you're interested in investing yourself, you can find Skycart on wefunder.com. Thanks for listening to the Do You Know Drones Micro Podcast. Have a great week.